प्रकृति को बचाने के लिए। क्या आँखों से दिखता नहीं या आँखें हैं तो बस दिखाने के लिए। A very good morning to one and all. I am Omkar Singh of Standard 11 C2 and I want you all to imagine a scenario where all plants and trees become extinct. Would humans survive? The answer is no. Man has always been dependent on nature for his activities, and these never-ending activities and needs has led to the exploitation of nature. To stop this exploitation of nature and make our planet healthy, on 21st August 1950, the then Union Minister K.M. Munshi took an initiative and brought a desirable revolution in the country. It was named as the Van Mahotsav. The Van Mahotsav, as the word itself suggests, the festival of trees, is celebrated by the people of India for a week in the month of July. During this period, millions and millions of trees are planted. People are made aware about the benefits of saving trees, conserving forests, and reserving natural resources for future use. People are motivated to plant more and more trees. I would like to end my speech through a short message which goes, when we cut a tree, we kill a life. When we save a tree, we save a life. But when we plant a tree, we plant a new life. So, plant trees and help growing. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
It's your tree that clears the air. Plant a tree, trees for India. Plant a tree today for all the world to share. Taste the breeze that's life inside you. Make a promise to the earth. Plant a tree, now is the time to recognize the tree for all that it is worth.
Good morning. I am Aisha Amani and I am here to give a short speech on importance of trees. He or she who plants a tree plants a hope for tomorrow. Trees are vital. As the longest living species on the planet, it gives us oxygen, stores carbon dioxide, stabilizes the soil, and gives life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with materials for tools and shelter. Not only are trees essential for life, but as the longest living species on the earth, it gives us a link between the past, the present, and the future. During the ancient period, people were all dependent on trees for their food to shelter. Trees from immemorial have provided us with copious benefits. It benefits health as it provides us with medicines, foods, and necessities. It benefits the environment by releasing oxygen for humans and by absorbing carbon dioxide, which contributes to prevention against global warming. It boosts wildlife and is home to millions and millions of species on the planet. It grows the economy of the world as people are more attracted to work, live, and invest in green surroundings. The importance is only felt when its deprivance is experienced. In today's pandemic, when people are dying because of the lack of oxygen. That is the result of our deeds in the past, which is influencing our present. So, trees protect our future, and thus it is important for all of us to understand its importance and save it. Save trees, save life. Thank you.
কিছু স্বপ্ন কিছু মেঘলা কিছু বই টই ধুলো লাগা কিছু ইচ্ছে সারা দিচ্ছে এই বসন্ত রাত জাগা মম চিত্তে পাশ ফিরতে আজ পলাশ ফুলের কাব্য নীতি নৃত্যে ফুল ছিঁড়তে শুধু তোমার কথাই ভাববো আজ হাওয়া বেপরোয়া দিল সন্ধে পাখির ঝাঁক এই বিকেল আর বিলকুল হৃদ মাঝারে থাক নীল দিগন্তে ওই ফুলের আগুন লাগলো লাগলো নীল দিগন্তে বসন্তে সৌরভের শিখা জাগলো বসন্তে নীল
I, Serena Catherine Joseph, and my friends are here to remind us all to play a role in saving the environment. It's high time that we, as an individual, must contribute to protect and sustain our environment. Here are a few simple ways with which you can make a difference. Plant more trees. Trees are the greatest source of oxygen that remove carbon dioxide and provide fresh and pure air to breathe. So we should plant trees for the good of our life.
Electricity for environment. Always switch off lights, fans or AC when walk out of the room and don't need them. Try to make better use of sunlight and avoid using artificial lights at daytime.
Save water for the environment. Water is a natural resource and its supply is therefore finite. So, to conserve the nature and to minimize the effect of drought, there is a need to conserve water. Compost. Try to decompose your food or other organic wastes. The compost formed makes good natural fertilizer which enriches the soil and also helps in producing healthy fruits and vegetables.
Recycling minimizes pollution and preserves our natural resources. The process is quite easy and all you have to do is to make wise choices. Buy products that can be recycled or made from recycled materials. Be a little considerate towards the environment and adopt measures in your everyday life to take good care of it.
वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं, धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष। हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, हरी हरी हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष, लक्ष्य बनाएं